Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually use your press pull. Okay, this is actually your press pull, your push, okay, or your pull. I'm going to just click on this, and then since we have scaled this in the previous episode, all I need to do is just to move this around where you see shaded here. Once I move, you see that place is highlighted. I'll just click here, I'll drag, and I'll drop it at the height of 3 meters. Okay, I will specify the height 3 meters. So this, I don't need to actually specify the height on this. I can just drag this, and then I will take it at this top. You can see it's telling me the off limit here. I'll drag, I'll trace up here. Okay, so it actually makes it a bit faster. Okay, if you already love what you're seeing, why not like this video? Just give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to always get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, I will rotate this. Sorry, check this again. I'll hold on this, I'll drag, and I'll drop. Drag, drop on the face. Okay, you can see on the face. Okay, so I can raise the whole walls here. Okay, the whole lines you see are demarcations for the openings, okay, where we are going to be having our doors and where we are definitely going to be having our windows. Okay, so I've already done that in the AutoCAD environment. In the next episode I'll be showing you how to actually come about that in your AutoCAD. But if you already know how to use it, fine, you're already at an edge. Okay, okay, all right, good. Now as you can see here, if you remember, we said this is definitely going to be our veranda, so I'll use a line here. I'll trace this down here. This is straight. Good. So I'll use press pull, push here. I can still use this to take this down. Oh, sorry. Okay. What else do we have here? So I'm I'm going to quickly create some of the openings here. Okay, so here we have to use move. So I'll click on move, and then I'll hold on my control. If I hold on control, it will actually give me a copy. Okay, so with move tool, you can use move to actually copy. You can see what we have here written. If you look at the message there under it, it says move, stretch, copy, and array selected. So you can as well use this to copy. Okay, so in order, if you actually want to copy with this, you have to hold on your control key. Okay, but before that, I'm going to use the tape to drag this at a height of 2100. That is the height of our lintel, right? Okay. So I'm just going to leave this tape line like this. Okay, this is just a tape line, so I'll use my normal line and drag here. Okay, I can just highlight this and delete. It's of no use. I will also use a tape. I'll make it exceed, and then I will use my line here. I'll drag here and I'll drop. I'll as well use a tape line here too. I'll make it exceed. I'll use a line here. You can see I've just been using tape and my line tool, okay, to achieve all of this. But now, since I already have a tape line here, a tape line guiding me, I can just use a line here and drop here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is to actually get the specific height of this my windows. Okay, so this is actually a small window. So if I use my move, if you can remember, you hold on control to actually copy. So I will specify the height of 600. Here is another window. I'll hold on control, but you can see you already have a height of 600. You may not even need to type since we are actually using the same height. But at this point here, we have a window here. I will specify the height of 1800. Here I'll also specify the height of 1800, or if I drag it, it will actually stop at that height because this is the previous distance I specified. So here also I'm going to use a height of 1800. Once it gets there, it stops. Okay. Okay, no. 1800. Okay, then we have a small window here which is going to be of 600, so I will have to type this time around. Okay, let's just create all the openings for the external windows. Okay, here 1800. Okay, so here I don't need to type, I will just drag to stop at that height. Okay, you can see how easy it is to actually do your design here. What else? This is another window here. Sorry. hold on Control 600. Okay, then let's see if everything okay remaining here. I'm going to have a window here, hold on Control, sorry, $1,800. So I'll grab here and drop. Okay, so here I'm going to delete this. I'll delete to achieve for this one, I will have to use my line and trace this to this, and I'll take this here, rotate to this. Okay, then I will offset this 1,800 here, also 1,800. So I can use my erase. You can see we have an eraser here to clean off all of this. Sorry, I'm not going to take this off. I'm going to use it later in the tutorial. Okay, I'll show you the reason why I left that. Okay, I'm leaving it for a reason. I'm going to use it for a little aesthetics there. It's offset. So you can as well hold on, you can left click and drag. It's going to sorry, left click, drag to take it off, drag. So just trim off all of this. Oh, sorry. So right now we have actually used our press pull tool, we have used our move, we have used our copy tool, we have also used we're actually using our erase tool right now. Okay, so I just want to get the shape of these windows. Let me just get the shapes out. Okay, okay, take this out. So I'll take off these ones at the top here. So you can still see that we still have these lines inside. I'll have to clean them off, or else it's actually not going to create an opening for us when we are trying to do create an opening. Okay, so the lines inside, take them off. Okay. Okay, this is actually for door. So sorry, there is a line here I want to take out. I want to leave this line. Okay, but I'll take this off. Let's see. Okay, I'll leave this line. But behind this, let me take off this. Take this off. Oh my god, I made a mistake. Alright. Now let's try to use our push here. If I drag, okay. Let's see. You can see our opening has been created. Drag another opening here, another opening, no, another one. You just push, okay. You hold on your left click. You can see if I take it around this rectangle here, you can see it has been shaded. Okay, so if I drag, you can see I will just push as the name implies. Okay, just push to go in, just push, as simple as that. Okay, it's very simple. I'll push, but I want you to take note of something here. Sorry. Now this didn't work because there are lines here behind this. Okay, if I try it for this too, it will not work. Okay, let me show you. So there are a lot of people having issues with this. Now you can see this is actually what it has created for me. So I'll use Ctrl Z to take it back. Okay, or you can use, yeah, Ctrl Z. Okay, so what if I take this line off? Now I'll try to push. So if I push now, you can see the opening has been created. If I clean this off as well and I push, so you must actually take off all the lines that are actually behind this in order for you to achieve that. Okay, or else you keep having issues. There are different ways to achieve this, but I think so far the one I have discovered, I think this one is a bit much more faster to actually achieve this way. So far you might have discovered something maybe a bit faster, but you can share with me. Okay, now you can see our openings are created. Just making sure everything is okay. Now we have all our openings for our windows, right? Okay, let's quickly do that of the doors. Okay, this is actually going to be a dining area, so I can actually have a curve. Maybe if I want to use a curve, okay, or I want to make it straight. But let's say we want this to be curved. I'm going to use my move here. I'll hold on my control and I'll take it to 450 here, and I'll take another one 450 down. Okay, that's 900 in total. Okay, I will use my arc. Here we can see we have arc 3 points. We have 3 points, yeah. So I'll click here, 1 point, second point, and then sorry, like this will not work for this. Sorry, let me use 2 points. I'll take here, and I'll drop here, and I'll use my erase here. I'll take this off, I'll take this off, I'll take this line off as well, and then I'll come behind this and clean up those lines. Okay, because it's actually going to create lines for you behind. So if you don't take off those lines, like I said earlier on, it will not create that opening for you. So I'll use my push and I'll pull. You can see I have an opening there for my dining, and then here I also have an opening here. This is just like a lobby. Okay, for we have a bedroom here, we have a bedroom here, and we also have a bedroom here, and then here we are going to have an entrance to our kitchen. Okay, so I will use my move, hold on control to copy. Now I'll take it to 900. This time around I'm just going to leave it straight, but you can use an arc if you feel arc will serve better for you. Um, 900. Always remember to take off all these lines, okay, in order for you not to have issues when you are trying to actually create an opening. Okay, so I will use my pull, my push. Okay, hold on control, and I'll take it to 900. Okay, okay. We are almost done with this. Let me create another opening here. Okay, sorry, I hope I'm not confused. Okay, this is our entrance, this is our sitting room, this is our dining here. Okay, we have an opening here, we also have an opening here. So I'll hold on control, I'll drag it to 900 and I drop. Because 900 has already been registered, that was the previous distance, so it is still registered on it. So once it gets to that distance, it will actually stop. Okay, so let's use this here. Hold on control, 900. Okay, if you already love what you're seeing, why not like this video? Just give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to always get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually wants to have a deeper insight on design. Okay, Okay, so here I'm going to create an opening here. Good. That didn't work. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, there is a line here. Now let's push. Sync that has been created. No. You can as well highlight it and then you delete it. Sorry, you highlight, delete. Okay, you can see that can also work for you. Okay, but okay, I think we have almost every opening. Okay, here we have a window, and then here is supposed to be a sit out. Okay, so I have to take this wall down. So what do I do here? All I need to do is just to take this line here, and I will trace it around where I want to bring down. Bring this line here, and then this one will also come down. Okay, good. So I will use my push. So you can see you can use this push for so many other purposes. Good. Okay, so here I'm going to have an opening here, which is going to be for my door. Okay, here I'm going to have a window. So this window, since this is a dining, let's say I make this 1200. Or let me just maintain the 1.8. Okay. So we have two windows around this dining. We have one here, we have one here as well. Okay, so take off all of these lines. Good. So let's look at the ones behind. We have to take them off too. Good. Now for this, I'll take this off, take this off, take this off, this, and then the one behind it. Alright, everything is clean now. I'll just come to my push and I'll move. Push in. So all my openings have been created except for these are my toilets and bedrooms. Okay, so I'll click on this, I'll hold on control, I'll move it to, sorry, I made a mistake here. Sorry, let me just type 900. Okay, I'll use this, push inside. Wow, so we are almost done with this. I'll do for this, to 900. I drop. You can actually come register with us, and then we'll take you through the process of design. Okay, we'll teach you, we'll guide you, we'll give you the software, guide you on how to install it on your system, and also how to crack it. Okay. Good. So remaining one opening, which is this. I'll use this. Hold on Control, drag to 900, and I'll use my eraser, and I'll clean this. I'll clean this, clean this, clean this. I'll rotate. I'll clean this line, clean this line. This line is not really needed here. So I'll use my push, and I'll push in. Okay, if you are able to stay to the end of this video, I'll tell you a very big congratulations, because we have been able to create all of our openings in this building. Okay, on the next episode, I'm going to take you deeper into this. Okay, and then we are actually going to be creating our design. Okay, we are going to do our plan directly from the Sketchup environment. What we did right now was importing a file directly from our AutoCAD. Okay, so this in the next episode I'll be showing you how to actually do your plan from directly from the SketchUp. Okay, but let's pull this out. I'll make it 230. Pull this out 230. Okay. This is just for aesthetics. Okay, so alright, so make sure you stay safe and make sure that you actually stay blessed.